Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tutorials. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the explores option. So currently you can see here the explores are available. So this is grouping by the multiple explores in the same explore. You can see here. So what we have to do is we need to click on the explore and we need to see there are two explores are available in between. So this is by the grouping the values all the explores to the single value. Okay. So what you see here in the grouping of different explores that we have to access. So if we have access, we can able to see these explores. Okay, so we can see in the e-commerce, we can see events and order items in the similar way. If we have two exports like airports and the flights, the local basics also, it's a fruit basket. There is one more export in the fruit basket. Okay, so again, so if I go to these order items, right? So if I click on this, the explore, we are going to do some exploration of the data. So we are just doing some kind of data analysis. Okay, so this is completely the custom fields. We don't have any. So this is the view level. So what are the values are available in the view level? So those values will be available. You can see here. So this is some kind of the information. If you have any description, it will give the complete information about the field. It's a similar way to the all the fields. So what we have in the bottom right, we can see in the bottom level. Okay. So now we are going to do some kind of analysis like the status wise total revenue. So if you like to see the status wise the total revenue, so we can see here. So this is the data. The status wise you can see the revenue. So if I go to here, you can see the isolation as well. So currently which is showing as a the column bar, wise we can see the data. Okay, so you can see here, right? So here is the fields what we have used right now. So the rest of the fields we can see here. This is the all fields we have. Okay, and the similar way if you want to export some data from the here as well, the country wise and the status wise, you can see if I pull the data, you can see the country wise and the status wise total revenue. So, okay, so if I want to this is in a pivot, I can make it as a pivot. Yeah, so you can see this is the status wise and the country wise data which is in the pivot level. So if you don't want this pivot, if you want to see the data in the filter wise, you can, there's an option called here. You can select here and we can choose which country wise we have data. Yes. So if I remove this data, the filter value you can see still it's showing. Let me remove this field. So now you can see the complete information, right? You can see the total values are um, yeah. So if I change, if I try to run for only US, so this is completely optional. So if you want to do some kind of analysis, so in that case it will be useful. So basically, explores are useful to do if you want to do some kind of ad hoc analysis.